had to actually fix my chat because it wasn't showing new chats. But since I have two phones, I can see what was actually going on in my chat, which is why I knew to fix the chat. That's what's up. I got a lot of things to do some things with. But the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and hit this dab. Yeah, stop talking and get to walking, right? Why you still holding it? Yo, this is though, like, yeah, yeah. Yeah, but niggas get high, yeah, yeah. If you look up in the sky, yeah, yeah. You might see us floating by, yeah, yeah. Like, niggas be like with weed. Me, I'm like with weed. Weed is actually like medicine to me. 34 hours is like a prescription. I'm smoking. You did. Told y'all we had to hit some dabs with the ladies, man. These motherfuckers be like, man, popcorn, you better bless the room one time. That's why you left the dab in here. Yeah, left the dab in the green room, so every time I come in here, I'm like, hit the dab. Hey, let's go. We got some more videos to do. We only an hour into the video, and I was going in today, if I recall right. Hell, I ain't got to go to work because this is the work I'm putting in today, right? Right. I can even leave these blacks in here because they gonna need something. I can leave them cigars in here because they don't need to go with me. The only thing I need to do is put that up, put that beer in the fridge, that Mountain Dew in the refrigerator, and then we gonna go smoke some more weed and watch these videos, right? All right. What Juvenile say? Y'all gonna take a ride with me? Do a homicide with me? Who, me? The sink that we be doing dishes on. Did he just put us in the sink? You're damn right I put y'all motherfuckers in the sink. Hell, I need both hands. He set you in the kitchen sink. He be bringing it all to the show, though. Let's crack a looking fam. Good to see you. How you doing? Let's see. The basket video probably done took flight for me today. So, back to the laptop. And as they say, back to the lecture at hand.
Wow, that's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt, I'm going to see the Father. Damn, Earth was cool. Oh, this gas, 93 octane. God, take me now. Hey, Cooler, he got another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me if he think I'm finna hit that blunt again. Heavens no, I'm high, bucko. I'm puzzled. I'm finna give it right back to him and tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. He think we in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'm gonna tell him I'm allergic to marijuana. Weed for me stand for with each exhale, I'm about to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a third one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head? No, you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different
Oh, shout out to my video sponsors. Y'all know to go check out the Superfood
So let's
Parents.
get back to the topic. I've got the garlic in there. I'm gonna chop up this onion. I'm gonna put a little bit of water, and I'm gonna just let those saute down. Is sugar like crack? What do you all know about the studies? Have you seen any studies? Are you familiar with this? That sugar is addictive, and one of the main ways that we get it is in our